walk through this theory. While using columns attribute, so to change column names, number of data frame columns and should be matched with what exactly? Existing column name. Otherwise we'll get error. Otherwise we'll get what, Sarji? Previously dictionary no error, but here whenever you are just trying to providing name of the column names, instead of this one think like a 5 column names would you have. Right hand side also you should specify 5. Imagine instead of this one 10 column names would you have. Right hand side also should have what exactly 10. Otherwise you will get error. Otherwise you will get what, Sarji? Are you with me or not, sir? Right. So imagine order ID is existing, customer name is existing, customer ID, product name, product cost. What you are talking actually, tell me? Total. First of all, total column is not there inside columns actually. Then it is telling how dare you to have to add that column actually. Then it will throw the error. It will throw what exactly, man? Error actually. What is that error, you know? Yeah, value error. What error, man? It is telling length mismatch. Length. Are you boss? I expected 5 columns only, but how many you are giving? If you want, you can cross verify. Inside this data frame, only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From where this total is coming actual? Can I repeat again? So please make a note. Left hand side columns attribute length is the 5. Columns attribute length is what, Sarji? Then right hand side also please provide the same length. Otherwise you will get error, sir. Otherwise you will get what, Sarji? Error. Do practice. You will get an idea. That's it. Are you with me? Good. Imagine left hand side 5. Then tell me the result. It should be 5. That's it. Now the left hand side, Daniel, the left hand side 5 actual. Right hand side I'm giving 4. Then tell me, sir. Error. Simple, very simple explanation. Simple explanation actually. Value error, length mismatch. What exactly? Perfect, man. Perfect actually. Kindly please walk through this role. Oh, till now what I explained, you know, Sachi? Till now what I explained, you know. Daniel, there is a data frame. I'm giving info. Info is not a method, right? So I'm not talking about the info method. Data frame. There are columns. Columns I wanted to change actually. Columns I wanted to what exactly, sir? Change. There are 2 ways. First one, rename method. The next one, columns attribute. What attribute mean? Columns attribute. Perfect actually. Columns attribute. First one is the rename method. The next one is columns attribute. Sir, can I tell you? Daniel, there is an index. Am I right, sir? Data frame. Look at me. See, the flow is awesome if you really follow. Data frame having what exactly, sir? Chapandi. Columns and what exactly mean? Index. Data frame having columns and what exactly? Index. Now I wanted to change or rename. I wanted to change or what exactly? Rename actually. Rename. Then can you tell me what is the first one? Rename method. What method? Rename method. The next one will be columns attribute. What attribute mean? Columns attribute actually. Attribute. The 2. Can I ask a question? What is the keyword argument name here? Very good, boss. What exactly? D. Now Daniel. I wanted to change the index actually. I wanted to change what, Saji? Index. Yeah, you can change. Can you guess actually? Can you please guess actually? Here also same rename, but can you guess the keyword argument name? Yeah, that's what you need to be understand, sir. Right? This one is a method. And here also same. How would have a columns attribute? We have one more attribute. What is that attribute name? Index attribute actually. Index attribute. That's what you need to be understand, sir. How nice it is. During interview, if anybody is asking explain about the rename, draw this kind of graph, you will get a clarity. Oh, data frame. What? Having columns and index actually. Columns you can rename. Index also you can rename. To rename columns, rename method. Columns keyword argument. And columns attribute also we can use. To rename index actually, rename method. But what is the keyword argument name? Index. What is the attribute name? That's the beauty. Understand, right, sir? Okay, nice. No, don't worry. I never change. నేను చేంజ్ చేయను. Guys are scolding. ఇటు పద్దాకా చేంజ్ చేస్తాడు అని మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారు. I will not change actually. Online team, are you clear? Can I get a one response actually? Right. So this looks very good. Let me take a one snap actually. A small snapshot. End of this session, kindly remind me. Here onwards, I need to upload these are all. Revision for you. Somewhere I have written, right? This one also good snapshot actually. This one also important. Can I take this one also one snapshot actually? Is it okay? Okay. Pandas. You know, so pandas. Snapshot. Where are we? Move on, please. Now I need to talk about the index actually. Change in the index. Sir, same thing. No change actually. You can use search. You can use. No worries actually. Here, very good. If you want, you can use here I. I means index. Very good. Let's move on. Where are we? Renaming method. Rename method actually. Changing index. Changing what search? Trust me, you can feel very easy. What search? Very easy. So intentionally, I am creating kind of some new data frame. Daniel, why you are not applying with the existing data frame? I will also apply. Hold on. First of all, let me just try to take a small data frame. Then there are some questions I'm going to trigger. Get ready to understand. Ayyo. Yeah. I have a question. Madam, are you ready? Can you tell me what is the data frame? Plus, what is the whole line? During object creation, something executes. Nice. Very good. Right? Now we are creating a dictionary by using, we are creating a data frame by using dictionary. That's what we are doing. Let me just try to print actual. Daniel, data frame is ready. In this data frame, focus on index 0, 1, 2. I wanted to change the index. Very simple, man. Create a dictionary. Yeah, Daniel, we have created a dictionary. And I wanted to change all indexes in one shot. Do it, Sergi. Do it actually. Yeah, Daniel, dictionary. 0th index I wanted to replace with 77. Index 1 I wanted to replace with 88, respectively other thing also. But what exactly happened, Sergi, here? Yeah. Okay, just you need to call a method. What is that method name? Rename method. What is the method name, Sergi? Rename method. Yes, so df1 dot rename of index equals to 1. I have a question for you. Rename is a method. If you are providing columns keyword argument, you are changing the column name. If you are providing index keyword argument, you are changing index. That's the beauty. You need to do paper work actually. Meeru chodukunda raste, if you are writing without seeing also, best practice actually. Every chapter you have to feel like a one project actually. In your academic, there's some projects, right? You have to feel like that. Then only the seriousness will come actually. Come on, let me show you. Then index changed actually. Index what, Saji? Changed. Are you clear? Let's take this one. Then let me ask a few questions. Can somebody tell what is a rename method? What is a data frame? Method name we are assigning into variable or object. Backend written. Backend what, Saji? Written actually. Hello, Daniel. Can I give this name as a wrong actually? No, sir. How you can give? If you are changing actually, what happened? Type error. What error? Unexpected keyword argument. Type error, unexpected keyword argument. Trust me, this error in my life I have seen thousands times, sir. That's what I remembered. When I'm teaching, while I'm working, I have seen this error thousands times actually, not even 1 or 2 times. There are few errors when you can remember, you can reproduce in the sense, first of all, no error actually. Write a program to get a error. What, Saji? That is called as a reproducing error. That is called as a, what do you mean by that? I wanted to raise error. That to what error? Type error actually. Type error. Sometimes this is very high level. I used to ask to the overall attending interview, just try to raise type error. I will ask a question, try to raise what such a type error. During that interview, I'm getting this answer. First of all, no error. Why I need to raise error? మీకు అర్థం లేదు సార్, ప్రోగ్రామ్ కరెక్ట్గానే ఉంది కదా, ఎర్రర్ ఎందుకు రేస్ చేయాలని అడుగుతారు అనమాట. ఇట్స్ ఓకే. I hope you understand. Otherwise, I'm sorry for my overaction actually. Okay, let's move on. Index attribute changing multiple column names. Okay, so make a note on this. Index attribute. What attribute mean? Index attribute. And heading should be, so changing multiple indexes actually. Indexes, right? Did you remember index attribute also we can use? What you can use such a index attribute also? Did I added this code in running notes? I need your help actually. Added, right? Changing index. Rename method. What method such a rename method? Chapani. Rename method. Rename method. Data frame created. Data frame is a predefined class. Whole line is object creation. LHS equals to RHS actual. Left hand side df1 dot index attribute you are using. All good. Change it actual. Change. Okay. Let's take this one. Mukhtar sir, then check the length. Check the length actual. Check the length and we can do that. We are doing. Don't worry. Oh, now I understand his question. What is our friend asking? What is our friend is asking? Beautiful actually. Good question, Sajay. Good question. Good. First of all, let me explain the question to everybody. Hello, Daniel. This is the data frame you created. You in the sense I created. I know how many indexes I do have. 1, 2, 3. How many, Sajay? 1, 2, 3. Right? If you are just trying to opening this one, let me just try to take this. Let me just try to what exactly mean. Take this actually. You can call shape attribute also. You can call what exactly mean. Shape attribute also. Then conclusion of the story. Yeah, exactly. It will give. Can you tell me total how many indexes actually? Number of rows. How many number of rows? 3. 3 actually. Think like you would have a 3 million. Would you have how many? Now understand the question. Uppudu meer question ardham chesukondi. Hello Daniel. So how to add index if you don't know how many columns present in what exactly? Data frame actually. Then there is one method. Method name is a good question, Sajay. The answer will be for your question. Upcoming topic. Set underscore index method we need to use. We need to use actually. Method we need to use. We need to use. When you will cover this topic. This topic we will cover during LOC and ILOC. Lock and ILOC actually. Lock and ILOC. So I really appreciate if you wait for some time. Okay. Mukhtar Garu. Hope you understand. You know Telugu? I am extremely sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Okay. Yeah. Let's move on. Where are we? So seems to be done. These are all example. Now, sir, great. Everybody look at my screen. Daniel, create a data frame. Yes, I have created a data frame. I have created what such a data frame. Then data frame is ready. Sales 31. Oh, sales 31 is not there. Then I need to pull that file. Data analysis. Sales 31 kada. Sales 31, right? Sales 31, right? How many of you sleeping actually? I can go for here. Coding. Let us add here. Good. Now let us run actually. Ayyo, sorry. Yeah. Everybody look at my screen. Simple, my question is very simple. How many rows would you have? Number of rows equals to number of index actually. Then see, let me tell you, writing 10 indexes not a joke actually, right? You have to create a dictionary with 10 pairs. How many pairs? Think like 100 rows or 100 indices actually, right? 100 dictionary pairs we need to write. Dictionary with 100. Think like a 1 million. Think like what, Saji? 1 million. It takes a lot of time. Instead of this one, Daniel, can I use one kind of, did you remember in Python I have coded one topic name is a range. What is the topic name? Yeah, range is starting you can provide and end you can provide actually. Left side length and right side length should be matched. Left side 10 values, range also 10 values you need to take. Where I wanted to start? Cinema starts from 10. Close it. Yeah, we'll see. 20 means 90. 20 means what, Sarji? 90. Good, let me show you this example. This is beautiful, sir. Like this also. Here what we're doing, sir, did you remember writing manually dictionary takes little longer time actual. Think like a 10 million values. I need to put leave for today office. I need to keep on write dictionary actually, right? First pair, second pair, third pair actually, which is taking little longer time. Beautiful, man. This one is a original data frame, started index from 0 to 9 actually. This one is we have renamed. What exactly, man? Renamed especially. I'm using index attribute. What I'm using right hand side? Are you clear, sir? Nice. Set underscore index also we can use. If anybody having this kind of question, Daniel, can I fit, for data scientist actually, data scientist or AI engineer? AI, what exactly, sir? Engineer actually. Answer. If you know how to write for loop, how to write what, Saji? For loop, then you are fit actually. You know what exactly mean? Fit actually. I'm sure you know how to write a for loop at least. If you don't know how to write a for loop actually, I cannot say you're unfit. I will tell you, go and do the Python revision. Go and do what, Saji? First point before data scientist, you should be a programmer. You should be what, Saji? Imagine if you're not a, sir, can I tell you one small point? Let me tell you. Once you join in a company, if you are a programmer, that respect is different. I'm sorry for saying. You don't know the industry, that's what I'm telling. In company, let me tell you. So imagine, let us take any software company. There are some different roles on any companies. Developer role, testing role actually, admin role, HR role. Out of all this one, you know what? The first one, it always stands in first position actually. First position. Trust me. This is the best. Why? Because developer means programmer. We are all programmers actually. The moment once you join in a company, your teammates or other teammates actually, first point they will think like, they themselves will speak like, this guy is a programmer. This guy is what, Saji? That respect is different actually. Programmer means we know at least some logical thinking actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah. Make a note on this. And before data scientist and AI, programmer. Daniel, how to become? Simple. Prepare my Python session. Prepare my Python sessions actually. Enough, more than enough actually. More than what? చెప్పింది ప్రిపేర్ అవడానికి లేదు. Are you getting or not, sir? Sir, more than enough. So please be strong in Python. Then you will get a clarity actually. So fine then, let's move on. Good, where are we? We done these are all. Why red color? Then you have to remind me today, end of the session, I need to upload 2 files. What is the first file name? Sales 3. Next one, sales 31. We are good to go. Move on. Why red color? What is this read underscore CSV? Why assigning into variable? Good. Wow. Sir, I have created a data frame by using dictionary. Yeah, data frame is ready. I'm changing name of the column by using index attribute. I'm changing index by using index attribute. I am even changing the name of the column by using columns attribute. This is something like one shot, 2 birds actual. Yeah, in a same we are changing చెప్పండి సార్, name of the column we are changing, and at the same time what we are changing, index also. Possible. This is possible. Daily you have to revise the subject. I'm repeating again, daily you have to revise the subject. No way to escape actually. You follow your own methods to do the revision, but you have to revise the subject. Yeah, then actually, okay. Then the last example from this chapter. There is one more last example. That example, let me tell you. Converting column names from lowercase to uppercase. I wanted to convert from lowercase to what, Sajji? Uppercase. Let me show you how to do this activity. Let me take a chair. Very simple, sir. Very simple. Good. First of all, let us load sales 3. Let us load what? Sales 3. Import pandas as pd. df equals to pd.read_csv. What is the file name, madam? Sales 3.csv. Then the file is ready. Yeah, Daniel, the data frame is ready. Physical file we converted into virtual data. Yeah, you can just have to focus on this one. Daniel dot head method. What method, sir? Head method actually. You are able to see the top 5 rows. Top 5 what, Sajji? Rows actually. Now listen carefully. My main motto. I want data as it is. I wanted to change name of the columns from lowercase to uppercase. From lowercase to, one more time, from lowercase to, good. Go back and I want you to explain one small example. Let me explain one small example. Just try to hold this example. Hold it actually. Hold it. Okay. Now you can just try to come search it. D equals to, hello. Otherwise, sir, getting nice sleep actual. Nice what exactly mean? Sleep. That too, what exactly during? During session actually, sorry. Good. Let me print this one. Sir, we are getting nice sleep during the session. Good. Sir, getting nice sleep during the session. I wanted to convert into uppercase, sir. How to do that?
S dot of D dot upper.
Dot what exactly? Upper. So please make a note on this one. Yeah, if it is a single string, you can directly call upper method. You can directly call. Now see the beauty. See the beauty actually. Upper method. Now let us take all. Now let's release it actually. Look at the code. Please understand. First of all, what is a data type actually? What is a data type? First of all, data type. Data type is a data frame. Data type is a. If it is a data frame, we should not apply upper method. Think logically. If it is a string, we can apply upper method. Then what we need to do? We need to convert explicitly, capture the column name. Capture what, Sajji? Column name. Daniel, I wanted to capture the column names. df dot what exactly mean? Columns actually. Yeah, okay. Again, I am repeating again. Whenever you are calling dx, df dot columns actually, here the data type is index. Here the data type is index actually. It is not a string. To convert, if you are directly applying here dot upper, what happen, sir? You will get a attribute error. What error? Why, Daniel, why attribute error? Why attribute error? Hold it. This one is method, Sajji. Left hand side should be string. Left hand side should be
String.
Otherwise attribute error. Otherwise what error? Exactly. So learn Python fundamental. Yeah, Daniel, exactly. Attribute error. No explanation required. Then what we need to do? You know, in pandas, there is one attribute name is str. Attribute name is str actually. Str means string. Repeating again. Whenever you are calling string, what happen, you know, the whole index is convert into one class. The class name is a string methods. The class name is a string methods. One more time. Class name is a, I will show you practically, sir. In practical chupistan. Let me show you. Wow. Class name is a string methods. Exactly. String methods actually. Simple. Python string class exactly they copy pasted in pandas. They are giving the name as a string methods. They are giving name as a
string method.
Sir, if it is a string method, now you can call one method. Method name is a, yeah, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. Converted actually. Wow. Exactly. Let me explain one more time. Let me explain. What is our requirement? Daniel, my requirement is I wanted to change the name of the column from lowercase to uppercase. From what case to what case? Lowercase to uppercase. Yeah. Check the data type. Columns. Index. The data type is index actually. Index. If it is index, you cannot call upper method. Then what we need to do? Convert